Hey, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my amazing HD projector by XNANO.
This projector is great for movie night because it's such good quality. Here you can see this is what it's like with the light on. It's still pretty bright, but when you turn the light off, it is so high definition. And here I have it just projected against my wall and it still looks great. You also have a built-in speaker. So here is a sample of how it sounds. So it's a really decent speaker for a projector, but you also have the Bluetooth option, which was really easy to connect. I also love this 4 points keystone correction is what it's called. So if you have the projector coming from an angle, you can easily make it a square into your wall. So you just adjust each of the 4 corners. This was really easy to use and great for me because I had the projector on my nightstand on one side of the room. With this corrector, I could just easily manually adjust it into a perfect square on my wall. So no matter where you have it, if it's off to the side, if it's down low, if it's up high hanging from the ceiling, you'll be able to adjust it with this 4 points correction. And in the settings, you can also choose whether you have it on the ceiling or on a tripod. The projector itself is really cool because it has these light up rotating LEDs at the top, so that really makes movie night even more special. And on this side, you have the fan and all of the USB HDMI outlets you're gonna need. And on the other side, you can easily adjust the lens itself. It is seriously bright. And with that brightness comes 1080 or even up to 4K quality videos for your next movie night.
So kick movie night up a notch and definitely pick up this projector. I think it's going to be great for your family. It's really versatile and it looks so cool. But that's just my point of view.